traditional song. Now let's also talk about traditional songs in Volta region. How do you see 22 years?
Yes. So for all these years, I've not lost touch with my traditional, movements with the composition. Because look, it's something dear to my heart. And look, I know what the Volta region. Guma, I can tell you, frankly speaking, but look, Volta region is blessed more than all the other regions.
Great.
Yes, if it comes to, these are indigenous, traditional
music compositions.
I tell you honestly, look, me da shifa fapanyang. So, onye nane nye bobo lashing to. So I maintain and I always make sure that my life limaji.
Right.
Yeah.
Great. Great. So somebody who asks, so what's the problem? Kanya kuhiana our traditional musics are not getting that national recognition
and exposure.
Yes.
Okay, so the fact of the matter is that Myanmar, some time ago or even now, I'm still an advocate, for this VGMA, movement to be brought down to the regions. For them to hunt young talents. Because look, the talents are wasting in the regions.
Sure.
But you can't just concentrate, on Accra and Kumasi alone and think that it's all over. No. About like rural for the regions or they could have,
gotten these talents.
I said what I mean. About like Poroma, and ya biam na lafia. Nya do regional vaga, fianya at them could regional. There are equally, good traditional music that people do. That unfortunately mutan Bukoba are promoting Ota Achimunte. I tell you honestly.